Welcome to our journey through the cosmos, where we'll explore some of the most intriguing exoplanets discovered by astronomers. For millennia, humanity wondered if we were alone in the vast expanse of space. Now, with powerful telescopes and ingenious methods of detection, we're beginning to answer that age-old question. From the Kepler mission to the TRAPPIST-1 system, let's dive into the wonders of these distant worlds. Our first stop takes us to Kepler 22b, a planet about twice the size of Earth, orbiting a star much like our own. This distant world, located over 600 light-years away, has captured the interest of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. This super-Earth, as we call planets of this size, lies within what we call the habitable zone, a region around a star where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. The habitable zone is the sweet spot around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface, a crucial ingredient for life. Imagine that, a planet potentially covered in vast oceans, bathed in the warm glow of its parent star. Such a scenario opens up exciting possibilities for the existence of life beyond our solar system. Now, we don't know for sure if Kepler 22b has water or even an atmosphere, as our current technology limits our ability to gather detailed information about distant exoplanets. But its discovery sparked our imaginations, showing us that planets like Earth, with the potential for life, might be more common than we once thought. Perhaps in the vast expanse of the universe there are many worlds capable of supporting life waiting to be discovered. Next we travel to the Kepler 62 system, where two planets, Kepler 62e and Kepler 62f, have captured our attention. Kepler 62f, slightly larger than Earth, orbits within its star's habitable zone. This planet is particularly intriguing because models suggest it could be a water world, its surface entirely covered by a global ocean. Imagine the possibilities, a planet teeming with aquatic life, perhaps even intelligent beings who have adapted to their watery environment. Kepler 62e, its sibling planet, is also larger than Earth and orbits closer to its star, placing it on the inner edge of the habitable zone. This proximity means Kepler 62e is likely incredibly hot, perhaps even tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing its star. While the conditions on Kepler 62e might be too extreme for life as we know it, its discovery reminds us of the incredible diversity of planets that exist in our galaxy. Chapter 4, Kepler 186f, Earth's twin in the cosmos. Our search for another Earth takes us to Kepler 186f, a planet remarkably similar in size to our own. This exoplanet orbits a star located about 500 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. This discovery was a watershed moment in exoplanet research, as it was the first time we found a planet so close to Earth in size orbiting within the habitable zone of its star. The habitable zone is the region around a star where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist. While Kepler 186f is much farther away from its star than Earth is from the Sun, its star is cooler and dimmer, meaning Kepler 186f receives a similar amount of energy as Earth. This balance of energy is crucial for maintaining conditions that could support life. Could this distant world harbor life? The possibility is tantalizing. Scientists are eager to learn more about its atmosphere and surface conditions to determine if it could indeed be a second Earth. Chapter 5, Kepler 283 CE, Unraveling the Mysteries of a Distant World. Kepler 283c, a planet about twice the size of Earth, orbits a star smaller and cooler than our Sun. While Kepler 283c resides closer to its star than Earth does to the Sun, the star's lower energy output means Kepler 283c still falls within the habitable zone. This planet's unique characteristics make it an intriguing target for further study, as we strive to understand the conditions that give rise to habitable environments. Chapter 6, Kepler 442b, a super-Earth with promising prospects. Kepler 442b, a planet about twice the size of Earth, stands out for its high Earth similarity index, a measure of how closely a planet resembles our own. This planet orbits a star cooler than our Sun, but its position within the habitable zone suggests it could have the right conditions for liquid water to exist on its surface. The discovery of Kepler 442b fuels our hope that we might one day find another planet capable of supporting life. Chapter 7. Kepler 452b, often referred to as Earth's older cousin, is a planet about 1.6 times the size of Earth, orbiting a star similar to our Sun. This planet's position within the habitable zone, combined with its similarities to Earth, has made it one of the most exciting exoplanet discoveries to date. While much remains unknown about Kepler 452b, its discovery reminds us that Earth-like planets might be more common than we once thought. Chapter 8. Kepler 1649c, a planet just slightly larger than Earth, orbits a red dwarf star much smaller and cooler than our Sun. Despite its close proximity to its star, Kepler 1649c receives about 75% of the amount of light Earth receives from the Sun, placing it squarely within the habitable zone. This planet's Earth-like conditions have generated considerable excitement among astronomers, as it represents one of the most promising places we know of that could potentially support life. Chapter 9. Proxima Centauri b, a planet orbiting the closest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, has captivated our imaginations since its discovery. This planet, slightly larger than Earth, orbits within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone, making it the closest potentially habitable exoplanet to our solar system. While Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun, Proxima Centauri b's proximity to its star means it could still have the right conditions for liquid water to exist on its surface. Chapter 10. TRAPPIST-1F, a world of possibilities in a compact solar system. Our journey takes us to the TRAPPIST-1 system, a fascinating collection of 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star. TRAPPIST-1F, one of the 3 planets in the system's habitable zone, stands out for its potential to host liquid water. This planet's intriguing characteristics make it a prime target for future observations, as we seek to unravel the mysteries of this unique planetary system. Chapter 11. TRAPPIST-1. E, another planet in the TRAPPIST-1 system, is similar in size and density to Earth, suggesting it may also be a rocky world. This planet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, raising the tantalizing possibility that it could harbor liquid water on its surface. The TRAPPIST-1 system, with its multiple planets in the habitable zone, offers a unique opportunity to study the conditions that give rise to habitable environments. Chapter 12. Gliese, 581 days, a planet about twice the size of Earth, orbits a red dwarf star called Gliese 581, located about 20 light-years from our solar system. This planet's position within the habitable zone of its star, combined with its potential to hold a substantial atmosphere, has made it a subject of intense interest for astronomers studying the potential for life beyond Earth. Chapter 13. Our final destination takes us to Gliese 667cc, a planet orbiting a red dwarf star in the Gliese 667 triple star system, located about 22 light-years from Earth. This fascinating system is one of the closest known multi-star systems to our own solar system. This planet, about 4 times the mass of Earth, is classified as a super-Earth due to its size and mass. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, suggesting it could have the right conditions for liquid water to exist on its surface. This makes it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. The discovery of Gliese 667cc highlights the diversity of planetary systems that exist in our galaxy, and the potential for habitable planets, even in the most unexpected of places. It opens up new possibilities for finding life beyond our solar system. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and these exoplanets are just the beginning of what we might discover. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're uncovering a breathtaking diversity of worlds, some of which might harbor life as we know it, while others might hold forms of life beyond our wildest imaginations. Stay curious, and keep looking up at the stars, for in their twinkling light, we might just find the answers to some of humanity's most profound questions.